Welcome to another CaseFox tutorial. In this one, we'll guide you through the management of calendar events and tasks. Begin by logging into your CaseFox account using your login credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Keep an eye on the nav bar located on the top of the screen. Click on Calendar in the nav bar to access the Calendar Management section. To create an event, click on Event Calendar within the Calendar section. Click on the desired date, fill in the details, and save. To update an event, click on the event you want to modify. Click the Edit icon, make your changes, and save. Similarly, you can create a task by clicking on Task Calendar. Click on the desired date, provide the details, and save. To delete a task, access the task calendar, find the task, and click the delete icon on the right. Confirm the deletion. That's it. You've successfully learned how to manage calendar events and tasks in CaseFox. To know more, visit our support.casefox.com. Thanks for watching.